Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And here we are, coin roll hunting in a warm day in Martinez, California. So let's see if there's any silver in here. Not a launder money. Well, nothing in this one. Just open this one up. Having no luck with this. I think these are pricked through. But going to Barrel East and upload some videos. So, not upload. Definitely warm here today. A little bit windy. Alright, that one's nothing in there. It'd be nice to find one of these years. And here's the other one. I got my new cane after the first. Left my cane on Safeway, no cane. So someone stole yet another cane. I think subconsciously I'm trying to get rid of the damn thing. Alright, nothing there. And nothing there. And nothing there. So I strike out again. I'm going to have to get a box of pre-rolled quarters when I have the money. Maybe in July, just go in and buy a whole box of quarters and get the stuff direct from the mint and see if I get any luck that way. Otherwise, I'm going to stop doing this because I'm not having any luck at all. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great morning, a great afternoon. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now. The Mystery Man.